The ocean is beautiful, but also deep, dark, vast, and largely unexplored. We find new species and creatures all the time. We also sometimes hear strange sounds. I will share some of these sounds with you today, starting with the upsweep. The upsweep is an unidentified sound detected on the American NOAA Equatorial Autonomous Hydrophone Arrays. It was captured in August of 1991. It consists of a long train of narrow band upsweeping sounds of several seconds in duration each. The sound was loud enough to be recorded throughout the Pacific. The sound appears to be seasonal, usually peaking in spring and autumn, and is roughly located between New Zealand and South America. Most scientists and researchers think that the upsweep is due to volcanic underwater activity. This next sound is called the whistle. It was recorded by the Eastern Pacific Autonomous Hydrophone on July 7th, 1997. According to NOAA or NOAA, the whistle is similar to volcanogenic sounds previously recorded in the Mariana Volcanic Arc in the Pacific Ocean. The 52 Hertz Whale, or the loneliest whale in the world, is thought to be a sound from an individual whale of an unidentified species that calls at the frequency of 52 Hertz. This is strange because other whales do not call at this frequency. The blue whale calls at a frequency from 10 to 40 Hertz, the fin whale at 20 Hertz, and so on. The call has been detected regularly in many locations since the late 1980s, and appears to be the only individual emitting a whale call at this frequency. The whale itself has never been sighted, and has only been heard via the hydrophones. There is a hypothesis that this whale could be deaf, and therefore doesn't know the sounds it's supposed to make. There are, of course, also other theories that say it could be an unidentified or undiscovered species of whale. Regardless, it's kind of sad thinking about this whale all alone with nobody to talk to, but here's that sound. The bloop is an ultra-low frequency and extremely powerful underwater sound detected again by NOAA in 1997. The noise is thought to be generated by an iceberg scraping on the ocean floor, also referred to as an ice quake. Julia is a sound recorded on March 1st, 1999, again by NOAA. Thought to be the sound of a large iceberg run aground near Antarctica. It was loud enough to be heard over the entire equatorial Pacific Ocean autonomous hydrophone array and lasted about 2.5 minutes. Slow Down is a sound recorded on May 19th, 1997, again in the equatorial Pacific Ocean, and again by the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA. The sound was most likely, again, a large iceberg. You've made it to the end of the video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, I'm back. You know, I usually or never make videos like this. They usually pertain to video game and video game mysteries and that kind of thing. But I thought, why not give it a shot and widen the scope of the channel? Just see if you guys like it. And if you're new here, I make videos about mostly video game mysteries and lore, but may or may not venture into just general mysteries and interesting things. So feel free to like, subscribe, comment, let me know, and I'll see you guys soon.